Hey guys, it's Kara from thatbeautyaddict.com, and today I have a beauty trick for you on how you can put your mascara on and give your lashes that feathery look. So let's get started. So you're going to need two items. You're going to need a mascara, and you're going to need a mascara, or I shouldn't say mascara, a lash comb and a eyebrow brush. The comb should be like this. It should have metal teeth rather than plastic because that works the best for what we're going to do. And you can do it with any color mascara. I'm going to use black mascara. And the product I'm using on my lashes is Epic Mascara by Unique. And you can get this on my website, thatbeautyaddict.com, as well as the comb and brush for the lashes and the brows. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your mascara and you're going to sort of paint it on across the teeth of the comb, just like that. Okay? So you get a good amount on the comb. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to comb it through my eyelashes. So just be careful you don't poke yourself in the eye. Start maybe in the middle of your lashes and then slowly work your way down. But you can see that it's going on my lashes, but it's also separating my lashes and making them very wispy. I'm also going to go behind my lashes. Coat the back. Isn't that pretty? Let me just get a Q-tip to clean up some of the fallout. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom. Just going to go back in and add a little bit more. And then I'm going to go in on the bottom . I actually really like how this comes out. And you're going to use less product too, so it'll help save your mascara so it lasts a little bit longer. Because literally all you're using is the little bit that you put on the tip. I'm going to do some on the other side, once again. And this is really easy to clean when you're done. You can just take alcohol and clean the metal teeth to get the mascara off, which you should do anyway after you put your mascara on. If you do use the teeth to separate your lashes, you should be cleaning the teeth off with alcohol. Keep it sanitary. Oops. Got a little hit, but I can always get it with my Q-tip. But doesn't that look really pretty? And like I said, you're not really using a lot of mascara. You know, it's just a little bit. Just going to freshen it up again, just to do the bottom. Once again, we're just coating it a little bit like this. And now I'm going to do the bottom. I actually think I like applying my mascara like this better than doing it the regular way. Just going to go in and clean up the bottom a little bit, and that's it. We're done. Maybe just do a little bit more on the top here. I like to go behind my lashes too. And that's it. And it does. It gives it a really pretty, less clumpy of a look, but it also separates the lashes. So what do you think? Came out pretty good, huh? So anyway, I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you found it helpful. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share my videos if you found them helpful. I greatly appreciate that. The products that I used, you can find on my website, thatbeautyaddict.com. I used Unique's Epic Mascara, and I also used the Lash Comb and Brow Brush, which you can also get on my website. And like I said, what I love about this is the metal teeth. It's always important to use metal teeth. They won't break as quickly, and if you're going to do this technique, you need a comb that has metal teeth, just so that you know. And that's it. I'm also going to put my information in the description below. My email, karacurloff@aol.com. Should you have any questions, you want to email me, I can chat with you. I also have a link to my social media accounts if you want to connect with me, as well as my website, which is thatbeautyaddict.com, which you can get these two lovely products. So anyway, I hope you're having a great day, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.